Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stay offline but still you can read and send messages on WhatsApp. What you need to do, just go to WhatsApp and then click on settings. After that, account, and then click on privacy. You see here last seen everyone. Just click here and then click nobody. And then go back here and scroll down. You will see here read receipts. Just turn it off. This is what you need to do if you want to stay offline but still read and send messages on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.